My fake little asthmatic. My fake little asthmatic. What are you trying to do? What are you trying to eat?
Hooray!
Yay!
Hooray! Patty cake!
Anything. That, Mama.
Nothing.
You're behind the mirror.
David, one little monkey jumping on the bed. He fell off and bumped his head. Mama is the doctor, and his mama said,
No more monkeys jumping on the bed.
David is a monkey, as lively as can be. He likes to jump, and he jumps for free.
Wee.
Wee. David.
Say, Mama.
Say, Mama, David.
Mama.
Hello, poo-poo. Hooray!
Ada.
Yeah?
Ada. Say, Grandma.
Mama.
I think he's getting tired, I think.